right, day number 1. We're done.
Not bad.
Well, you didn't have to do anything. You just sat there with your mouth shut.
I know. I was really worried about how today was going to go.
Really?
Until I walked through the door, and then I was fine.
Really?
Yep. Because I didn't have to do any prep work.
I was nervous last night about the fact that I wasn't nervous. Like, because people kept asking me, and I was like, well, maybe I should be. You know what I mean? So, but I felt good.
It's great to be back. It's great to be back doing what we do.
You have no idea. Well, me, you do, but they don't.
Great to give people back the show that they've wanted for 1 year. Just almost exactly 1 year that they've been waiting on this show. And honestly, great to give it to them in the time that they want it. Already, I'm taking emails. Former Rover listeners, Lanigan and Malone listeners, coming over in droves.
Welcome to the party.
Emailing in. So thank you guys so much. We will get some stuff up online at WNCX.com. Just give us a little bit of time. Twitter, MWL Show. The show airs weekdays, 5:30 to 10. Mental note, we start at 5:30, all right? We'll be back tomorrow, 5:30. Maxwell Show. From 98.5 NCX. Cleveland's classic rock.
I live my life.